After you've unpacked your new phone, place it upside down on a flat surface and you'll notice a series of ports on the back. On the far left is an Ethernet port labeled PC. You can plug your computer into here if you're using a single network. The next port over is labeled Internet, and this is where you'll take the patch cable that typically goes into the wall and plug it into the back of the phone. If you're using Power over Ethernet, that's all that's required. If you don't have Power over Ethernet, use the auxiliary power supply in the center port. Next is an optional headset port, and finally a handset port. You can use the cable guides to route the cable to the side of the phone. Next, attach the base stand. You'll notice a contoured edge that should go to the handset side of the telephone. Line up the two tracks and push to the right to secure the base into the phone. Plug the patch cable into the back of the phone labeled Internet, and you should hear it click to know that it's secure. The phone takes 2 to 3 minutes to initialize and register on the network. When the telephone finishes booting up and arrives at the login screen, refer to your welcome email for your login username and password. And select OK. The phone reboots to establish itself with the 3CX call server. After the phone reboots and connects to the 3CX server, you'll see your status lights are all green on your call appearance buttons and green on your shared park keys. Your telephone is now ready for use.